You can also create static functions. Compile that. So like in C++, static functions are not necessarily associated with any instance of a class. And so while a regular blueprint callable has a target, which is self, which is like the this keyword in C++, if we do the static blueprint callable, it is a standalone node, and you can have it take inputs and outputs, and it can be called in any instance of the blueprint. However, it seems a little uncleanly to just throw this in some random class, and so Unreal actually provides you with a special type of class which is called a blueprint function library. And this is a good place to house a bunch of static functions. This is actually a class use subclass. So and then you can throw your static functions in here. Compile that. So we need to fix the prefix. Since this is a U class, it needs to be prefixed with U. And also don't forget to include the function library. So that has been included here. So let's compile that. And also fix up the CVP file. And so now we can call that static function. So my library static function. So this can be called in any blueprint, and it's also in a clean place where you can add other helper utility functions. There is also a special keyword for letting you call functions in the editor at design time. So what this function will do is it'll create a button that'll let you press it. And so we can do things like configure locations of actors and levels and those kind of things by creating an editor function. And so if I drag and drop this pawn into a level, you can see in the details there's just my editor function. And as I press it, it moves the pawn along because we are getting the actor's location and updating it to be slightly in its forward direction. So that's a CallInEditor function. We will continue looking at UFUnctions in later videos.